Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Squarespace affiliate program easy tutorial step by step clearly. Scroll down to the footer section of the home page. Look for the link labeled affiliates and click on it. This will redirect you to the Squarespace affiliate program page. Review the program details to understand the benefits and requirements. Once you are familiar with the terms, look for the Join button. Click on the Join button to start the application process. You will be prompted to create a Squarespace account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, click Create Account. Once your account is created, log in with your new credentials. Upon logging in, you will see the application for the affiliate program. Fill out the application form with accurate details. Include information about your website or social media platforms where you plan to promote Squarespace. Submit your application for review. Wait for an email confirmation regarding your application status. If approved, you will receive additional instructions on how to access your affiliate links. Log in to your Squarespace account. Navigate to the affiliate dashboard to find your unique referral links. Use these links in your promotions to earn commissions. Start promoting Squarespace through your website and social media channels. Monitor your performance and earnings through the affiliate dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.